Aloha, Annie Elison here, and I'm walking in Nihilani. Nihilani is the newest condo complex built in Princeville that you can vacation rent. Nihilani is located on Pepalane Loop, which is right off of Kahaku, the main road in Princeville. In my opinion, it has the nicest pool area of any condo complex in Princeville. Now, I'm not including the Cliffs or Hanalei Bay Villas because they're also timeshares, right? So they have tons of amenities. As far as pools for a regular condo complex, Nihilani has a great one. Great hot tub, barbecue area. Nihilanis are unique and special in a handful of ways. Number one, they have 2-car garages. The only condos in Princeville that are vacation rentable with a 2-car garage. Secondly, they have central air conditioning, also a rarity on Kauai. And thirdly, they have a modern floor plan. They were built large enough that you can comfortably live in them or vacation rent them. Nihilani has a range of sizes of condos, from a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, all the way to a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with an office, right? So there's a variety of floor plans and sizes, and if this is something where you'd like to live in it part-time and vacation rent it part-time, this could be perfect for you. One of the reasons why we're putting these videos together is to give you an idea of what each condo complex is like. So fortunately, clients of mine are willing to let us go in and take a look. Now, this is not a condo that's for sale. It is an active vacation rental, but we're going to show you the interior so you can have an idea of what owning a Nihilani condo might be like. Great sized living room, extra high ceilings, open and airy. Perfect place to come and relax after a day at the beach. Kauai is about an outdoor lifestyle, which is one of the reasons why I love all of the lanais in these condos. Look how big and open this space is. It's really, your lanai is often the most used room in the house. Because Nihilani condos were designed to be lived in, even though they have vacation rental rights, you get things like a huge kitchen with tons of storage, eat-in bars. So this is the home office. I've seen this space used in so many ways. I've seen bunk beds, I've seen a home office like this, or just an extra space for your gym equipment. I've seen it used as a hobby room, your gaming setup. Sky's the limit. This room, because it's up high, you can sleep with the door open. I mean, if you're willing to take a little risk and walk on the wild side. So this is the second bedroom. I love it. The second and third bedroom share a Jack and Jill bathroom, and the third bedroom has its own private lanai. They're nice size. They have a higher ceiling than most condos, so it feels open and airy. Have you ever wanted to soak your feet or your body after a long day at the beach? You've got a perfect tub, shower, a private water closet, aka the room where the toilet is, a walk-in closet, and double sinks. This is the large master suite in Nihilani. One of the things I love about it is this nook. Often it's used as like a home office, or there's a baby crib there, or a treadmill, right? But it gives you flexibility and a little more space. One of the things these owners loved about this condo was this great open space that it backs to. Most of the Nihilani condos don't back to this open space, but they have other views. If it's on Kahaku, the main road, most likely you're going to have some great mountain views. So anywhere you are on Kauai, there's a pretty vista to look at.